Harmful ways to eat apples and how to eat them healthily. Apples are one of the most popular fruits around the world. They are a great source of fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. But did you know that eating apples the wrong way can actually harm your health? Here are some harmful ways to eat apples and how to eat them healthily. 1. Eating the core. Eating the core of the apple is not harmful, but it can be difficult to digest. The core contains seeds which can cause digestive issues if eaten in large quantities. To avoid this, cut the apple into slices, or remove the core before eating. 2. Eating too many apples. While apples are healthy, eating too many can cause digestive issues, such as bloating, gas, and diarrhea. It can also increase your intake of sugar and calories. It is recommended to eat 1 to 2 apples a day. 3. Eating apples with pesticides. Apples are one of the most heavily sprayed fruits, and consuming pesticides can lead to health problems. It is recommended to wash apples thoroughly before eating, or buying organic apples. Now that we know the harmful ways to eat apples, let's talk about how to eat them healthily. 1. Eat apples with the skin. The skin of the apple contains most of the fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Eating the skin also helps with digestion, and can reduce the risk of heart disease. 2. Cut apples into slices. Slicing apples into pieces makes them easier to digest and prevents the consumption of the core and seeds. 3. Pair apples with protein. Eating apples with a source of protein, such as almond butter or Greek yogurt, can help balance blood sugar levels and keep you full longer. In conclusion, apples are a nutritious and delicious fruit, but it is important to eat them in a way that benefits our health. Avoid harmful ways of eating apples and try out healthy ways, such as eating them with the skin and pairing them with protein.